Father's Day today, and for Father's Day, I got this hat. And I got this apron. This is the beer pocket, apparently. So anyway, we're going to make some pancakes. Here is my helpful assistant.
Hello.
So, we're going to get started straight away. These are American, fluffy, sugary, sweet pancakes for your consumption. So, we're going to start off with, come on, we're going to crack straight on. Are you going to put the ingredients in?
Not the eggs, I don't know.
Right, okay. So, we're going to use a jug like this, which is going to be easy for pouring the pancakes into the mixture.
Flour.
So, we're going to start off with 200 grams of self-raising flour. Dump her in there.
Self-raising.
Boom! Self-raising. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Boom! 1 tablespoon of sugar in the pot.
Then butter.
No. Then we're going to crack the eggs in. We've got 3 eggs.
I don't like cracking eggs because
Okay.
they crack me up.
Right. 1 egg.
I give
in
my
there.
dad a card.
2 eggs. Oh, in there.
Scramble egg.
3 eggs. Oh! What's going on? Oh, I've got egg everywhere.
Daddy, I just scrambled that egg.
Oh, I've just scrambled eggs everywhere. But now that bit's cut out because we dropped some egg, that was 3 eggs that we put in there. We're now going to put 25 grams of melted butter. So we've got butter in a cup like this. We're going to stick it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Are you going to count 10 seconds?
Yeah, Daddy, I don't think you should put grass in there.
Count 10 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Well, open it. Open the microwave. Okay, 10 more seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That wasn't 10, that's 12. Right. Oh, look, here we go. Our butter is melted. So we're going to put this in here. Whoa!
Ding-a-ling-ling-ling.
Right, we've got that in there. And the last thing that we're going to do is 200 milliliters of milk. Going to stick that in there too.
Milliliters of milk.
Here is our mixture. Now we're going to get a fork. Max, the helper is gone. Right,
Yeah.
and now we're going to...
I made these soap for my dad.
Oh, now we're going to just mix this. Going to mix this like crazy.
Sponsored by Max.
Sponsored by Max. Right, we're just going
I'm
to
the
mix
best
this.
ice cream. I'm the best pancake. I'm the best baker ever.
Best
And my dad is lovely.
Oh, I love lovely. Right, so now our mixture's all mixed up and it's all like sort of,
Gloopy gloop slime.
gloopy gloop stuff. It's pretty thick, though. It's thicker than your standard sort of pancake mix. So what we're going to do is we're going to relocate the camera and put it over there. Another one. So we're going to this is a pancake maker which is about £30 from Amazon. If you make lots of pancakes, then maybe use it. Buy one. If not, you can use a pancake making robot, or you can use a frying pan like regular pancake making people. So we're going to just put this on here and we're just going to let it cook and then we'll flip it in a minute. So, here we go, our finished pancake. It's much thicker than a sort of a regular pancake that you would do, and it's much more cake-like as well. But, here we are, finished. And obviously on this you can put your regular pancake toppings, whatever it is you want. What are you feeling about it, Max?
I want golden syrup.
Okay, he's going to have golden syrup. He's already taken over and started doing his own one, so I think we better end the video and eat these. See you later.
Love you.
Like the other videos, watch your other stuff. See you later.